In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap FigJam Stickies. This quick technique is perfect when you want to reorganize ideas without manually dragging notes around and accidentally breaking your layout. By the end, you'll be able to flip the positions of two stickies in a snap while keeping your board tidy and easy to scan. Start by opening your FigJam file in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're in a FigJam board, not a Figma design file. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the playful, collaborative canvas with the sticky note tool available. Navigate to the area of your workshop or brainstorm where the stickies you want to swap are located, and zoom in just enough to clearly see the notes and their edges. Next, select the two stickies you want to swap. Hold down the Shift key and click each sticky once. You should see a highlight or bounding box appear around both notes, indicating they're selected. If they're close together, clicking is easiest. If they're a bit spread out, you can click one, pan the canvas, and shift-click the other. A quick tip: if you accidentally select extra objects like arrows or shapes, just shift-click those again to deselect, so you're left with only the two stickies. Keeping your selection to exactly two stickies will make the swap option appear reliably. When you have those two stickies selected, look for a small red dot that appears between them. That dot is the swap handle. Simply click the red dot and FigJam will instantly trade the positions of the two selected stickies. The content on each sticky stays intact. You're just flipping where they sit on the canvas. This is especially handy when you're ranking, grouping, or cleaning up a board after a fast-paced session. If you don't see the red dot, double check that only two stickies are selected and that they're not locked or part of a larger grouped object. Zooming in slightly can help reveal the handle if it's tucked between notes. And if you change your mind after a swap, use undo to revert instantly. You can repeat this as often as you like to quickly reorder ideas. It's far faster and more precise than dragging, and it keeps spacing consistent. Use it during dot voting reviews, prioritization exercises, or anytime you want to tidy columns and rows without disrupting your layout. That's all there is to it. Open your FigJam file, shift-select the two stickies you want to reorder, and click the red dot to swap them. Simple, clean, and super efficient.